Hi guys, welcome to this video. My name is Larissa, and if you're here, I know you're suffering with those dark spots, but don't worry, stay with me because I'm gonna tell everything you need to know about BioRestore Complete before you actually buy this product. I'm gonna be really brief with this video, going through just the important things, but I will tell you a few alerts. How is the treatment, ingredients, and much more, okay? So let's start with the most important thing, where you're gonna find BioRestore Complete to purchase. Guys, today this product, it's only sold in the official website. So to help you out, I'm leaving the link under the description of my video, okay? So guys, the first thing that BioRestore Complete discovered with the studies done by the scientists was that this is the hint that actually those dark spots, there's nothing to do, they are not related to aging, because nowadays you see more and more teenagers getting those dark spots. Actually, those dark spots are what the scientists call nowadays blue modern radiation that oxidizes your skin, leaving it open to attack. BioRestore Complete, guys, is 100% natural. There's no side effects, no harm to your body. This product has been tested and approved by FDA facility, no stimulants or no habit forming. So guys, be sure that this natural supplement won't harm your body, and you can try without any concerns, okay? Those 16 natural ingredients will be responsible to clear the dark spots, protect against the radiation, and also erase aging or damage that you have on your face and your skin, okay? Let me tell you some of the benefits you're gonna get with those 16 ingredients. So some of them will be rosemary, that is powerful antioxidant that will help to do a clean up in your body and also shrinks pores. Sage and vitamin C strengthens the skin, but also seal and moisture. You're gonna find also gotu kola that brightens the skin tone and it smooths fine lines. But there are many other benefits and the other ingredients. Check it out, the official website that I left down below. You just need to click and go directly. Let me tell you how is the treatment, which is pretty easy, okay? You're gonna apply this serum every morning and also before bed. After you do the cleaning, you're ready to go to bed, and you can apply on those spots. Keep in mind that you can use in your face, in your neck. You can use even here in the areas on top of your breast and on your hands. It's totally fine. So apply on the spots and that's it. But guys, in order to see results, you have to take your treatment correct. If you decide to do the change, it's only gonna be beneficiary for you, so do it, okay? Do not skip a day. Do it consistently for faster and better results. And don't forget that each body and each organism reacts in a different way, so do not expect that every single step that's gonna have a change for somebody else is gonna happen in the same way for you. So respect your body, respect your routine, and I'm gonna pretty sure that you're gonna get your results, okay? Guys, great thing about BioRestore Complete is that you have 60 days money back guarantee, which means that you have plenty of time to try, see how it works with your body. And if you don't like, if you don't see results, no questions are asked, you can have your money back. It's pretty easy. You just need to email them requesting the return, and they will tell you all the steps. They are pretty clear and objective, but I'm pretty sure you won't need it, okay? But just in case, if you don't like it, you are safe, you are protected. But don't forget, that needs to be in the link down below, okay? So guys, that's it for today. I really hope I helped you with this video. I really hope that BioRestore Complete can help get rid of those black spots. And if you have any questions, comments, feel free to leave down below. I'll be more than happy to help you, okay? Bye.
Thank you for taking the time to watch this review. If you have any further questions or would like more information, please click on the link in the description. We appreciate your interest and hope to hear from you soon.